Starting to see shit. Way past that smoke some tree and I'm feeling lazy. These niggas think I'm crazy. I tell these niggas I maybe came out of jail and lost my lady. Even though we had a baby, I swear that this female hating. These niggas out here hating, I just wonder why. I just wonder why. Is it God trying to diss me, the devil in disguise? I just opened up my eyes, now I can see these spirits. God be talking to me now, and now I can hear it. When you hear a nigga lyrics, can you tell that I'm fearless? Can you tell I've been through endless scratches? Now a nigga smell I got so many problems, thoughts in my own mind. I am not like you niggas, dizzy is of his own kind. Trust will go burn, hold through souls with clone minds. Probably started rapping again, got too much alone time. Write down truth, why? Cause I'm lost in my own thoughts. All you niggas are like zombies, vampires, and robots. 44. Starting to see shit.